The Bering Strait is a frigid expanse of water separating Alaska, the westernmost edge of the United States, and Russia. At its narrowest point, the strait measures a mere 55 miles wide. This distance shrinks even further between two small islands in the middle of the strait. Only 3 miles of water separate Big Diomede Island, belonging to Russia, and Little Diomede Island, a part of the United States. The Bering Strait is a shallow sea, averaging only 98 to 164 feet deep. It is a harsh environment, battered by strong winds and frigid temperatures. The strait is frozen over for a significant part of the year, its surface a solid expanse of ice. Despite the challenging conditions, the Bering Strait is a place of remarkable beauty, home to a variety of wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. The strait is a vital waterway for marine life, connecting the Pacific and Arctic Oceans. Whales, walruses, and seals migrate through the strait, following ancient routes in search of food and breeding grounds. The Bering Strait is also a crucial link for the indigenous peoples who have called this region home for millennia. For them, the strait is not a barrier but a bridge, connecting communities and cultures across the icy waters. The Diomede Islands, situated in the heart of the Bering Strait, offer a unique perspective on the proximity of the USA and Russia. Big Diomede, the larger of the two islands, belongs to Russia. Little Diomede, just 3 miles to the east, is part of the United States. The international date line runs between the islands, making them islands in time as well as in space. Big Diomede is 1 hour ahead of Little Diomede. When it is Monday on Little Diomede, it is already Tuesday on Big Diomede. This time difference, though seemingly small, highlights the close yet separate realities of these two islands. The indigenous inhabitants of the Diomedes, the Inuit, have long crossed the strait for trade and family visits. However, the Cold War brought an end to this free movement. The border between the islands became a heavily guarded frontier. Today, travel between the Diomedes is extremely restricted, requiring special permits from both the US and Russian governments. During the winter months, the Bering Strait experiences a dramatic transformation. The frigid temperatures cause the sea to freeze over, forming a thick layer of ice known as an ice bridge. This natural phenomenon, lasting from October to June, connects the continents of Asia and North America. The ice bridge can be treacherous, prone to shifting and cracking. However, for centuries it has served as a passage for wildlife and humans alike. Indigenous people have long crossed the frozen strait, following animal trails and using traditional knowledge to navigate the icy landscape. The possibility of crossing the Bering Strait on foot